Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I am going to talk about what do you do right now when it's hard to find employees to work for your cleaning business. Oh my God, it is such a challenge. I know there's so much competition. So you may want to look to see if you can find subcontractors. They're not employees, but they will work as hard or if not harder for you to continue to scale your cleaning business. Look on Craigslist, look on Indeed, place ads, but right now you have to think outside of the box on what you want to do because it can become very, very challenging if you're doing all the work yourself, or let's say with your family members, you can get burnt out quickly. So I always talk about the mindset. Make sure you get your mindset in place. Look at your long-term goals and long-term visions and don't be short-sighted because things that you do in the short term may not be something that you're looking at doing long-term. So once again, have the goal in mind. What is your purpose for your business? Is it building wealth? Is it looking to leave your 9 to 5? Is it to leave this to your company, to your children? When you get in those tight spots like you may be when you're having to do all the work because it's hard to find employees, then guess what? Look at your vision, have a vision board, have it written down. This will help you get through all of that. And before you know it, you're right back on track. So if you want to learn more, then guess what? You can sign up for my free masterclass where I talk about ways you can scale your business using government cleaning contracts. And I go into all 3 areas that you need. How to make sure you meet the basic requirements, to making sure that you market to the government buyers, to making sure that you find that bid. So if you want to learn more, then guess what? Click to register for my free masterclass where I look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.